What's going on, everybody? It's Nate Matthews back with another one. Before we get started, if you guys need any grooming related products or want to see more tutorials and stuff like that, first of all, subscribe to this YouTube channel, hit the thumbs up button, and go to the website grooming.neverdenyme.com. If you guys have been wondering why your boy's been wearing a do-rag, it's because I actually been growing my hair back, man. Or the hair that decided wants to grow back. I allowed it to grow back. If y'all giggle, if y'all chuckle, if y'all laugh, if y'all inbox this and share it to somebody, especially if y'all know me, if I worked with y'all, if y'all went to school with your boy, if you laugh, you can at least hit the thumbs up button. But yeah, man. Y'all see it? There's nothing there, right? But we're gonna make something go there in just a second. Alright, and what we're trying to do again is just make a clear path so it blends well. Let's go ahead and get our cleaning solution. And we want to clean our scalp very, very well. Get fly on them, you feel me? About to go to the clears up. As you guys can see, before my head was all white and now it is not. It is time for us to go ahead and apply the hair. We have some hair right here, so we're gonna actually use this. I think it's starting to look natural, man. If y'all laughing, go ahead and hit the thumbs up buttons for laughing. I'm giving y'all something to laugh about, right? It's funny. I agree. Again, guys, this is no fibers or nothing that can blow away because we actually did glue it down. I'm gonna go ahead and throw this in here like this. You don't want the hairs moving all over the place because you set them where you want them. And you want them to kind of stay there. I'll check right back with you guys. I'm going to let this set. I'm going to do a little bit of cleanup and we'll continue in just a minute. If you haven't subscribed already, I need y'all to do that. If you haven't left a comment or haven't hit the thumbs up button yet, I need y'all to do that. Go ahead and share this video with a friend as well. It helps me out. I need y'all to do that. We'll be right back. Very hard for me to tell, which I guess this is a good thing. It's hard for me to tell where the fake versus where the real starts and begins, and I definitely do not want to slide these into no glue and mess these up. So I guess we're going to be doing the majority of this whole haircut by floating these clippers over the hairline. So we're basically just going to be getting all the stragglies out, but not digging into the cut at all. But before the camera dies, let's actually do an edge up so I can show you that. So for the edge up, we're going to go ahead and just line up the back using the wall detailer lithium ions. Get some more of the clippings out. Throw some grease in it. Have some waves in the morning. We're getting rid of all the loose hairs. During the time that I've been using these clippers, again the Wall Magic Clip Poreless, the blade is kind of a little bit warm, but I mean I can actually hold my finger on it. But I do think if you're working on a client for a little too long, it might bother them just a little bit. By the way, this is the Wall Standard blade, STD for Wall Standard. There's multiple different ones you can get. This is what we're working with. Again, this may not be the intended use for many of you that are watching, but I just wanted to get some good clippers because I felt like my other ones were probably gonna give out on me anyway. So this is what we got. We're gonna go ahead and try to fade the back. Let's see if this does anything, which I doubt it will. Oh yeah, I actually hear her cutting something. Probably just up at the top. This hardly did anything as expected, but we're just being very, very careful because we don't want to ruin the work that we've done by chopping it up in the back. So let's go ahead and grab now the one. Throw this on here. We'll open this up and see what this does. So the one did actually cut some of the hairs off very slightly. So now let's get the comb it down and see what it's looking like before we continue. Alright, now we're going to just flick it from the bottom here. I think that's pretty good right there. Maybe we don't need to fade it out because maybe, with me not having an edge up in quite a while, maybe I want y'all to see that line. Maybe I don't want to really bald it out because I always bald it out, right? Am I going to settle for this? For now, this is what we're going to rock with. I'll just have to do a better lineup next time and kind of round it off in the corners instead of making it go straight across because, yeah, I think I'm pretty satisfied. Of course, it could always be a little bit better. And trust me, if you guys subscribe to this channel, it's definitely going to get better. If y'all like what y'all seen, though, make sure you subscribe. Catch you on the next video. Peace. Alright, we're going to go ahead and continue this because now I just want to mess around with these clippers here and practice fading. This is just going to be like a bonus clip or a bonus video because I don't know if I'm actually doing anything or not. But if I do, I want to make sure I get it on camera. And I might as well tame the beard down too. How about that? How about I just knock this down? Yeah. Oh yeah, this is going to be a lot better. Fading the beard with the magic clips. Went ahead and finished up the cut. It's actually the next day. I went to sleep, had the do-rag on and everything. And this is what we're looking like right now. Again, I'm not too sure if it looks, realistic to anybody or not. Or if I'm just in shock that I haven't seen myself like this in a very long time. So I don't know, so I'll let you guys be the judge. Again, you've seen the picture from the beginning where it was, cut out in the back with the cul-de-sac. So let's see how it's looking right now. I'll let you guys even zoom in. Again, keep in mind, I went to sleep already like this. This is how I woke up the next day. Tilt our head down so y'all can see the top. Again, we did this all on our own. Didn't go to a barber. Didn't get any assistance with anybody helping me install this. None of that. So if you guys like what you see, you know, definitely let me know. Again, I do have stuff in mind that I've been working on to try to make this a little bit easier, even though it came out decent. I don't know. Ain't gonna fall off, nothing, you know. I don't want to like do all that and stuff like that, because then it's gonna make some stragglies and stuff for them. But I think it blends pretty well. Y'all gotta let me know. And follow me on Instagram too, by the way, man. All my information is down below. If you're a company, you want to work with me or something, send me the buckaroonies, baby. Day number 4. I went ahead and lined it up a little bit differently though. This time looks a little bit more natural to me. Still very dark, but you know, this is what we got. Y'all gotta let me know what y'all think, man. Again, I believe this is the 4th day that it's been in, and it's still lasting.